Number 1. 1978 Chevrolet Pickup, $1,800, Rancho Cordova, California. This 1978 Chevrolet Pickup is a very affordable classic truck project. Originally diesel and later converted to a Chevrolet 350 gasoline engine, it reflects a common period upgrade. It has a clean title and is exempt from emissions testing in California. With a non-functioning odometer and fair overall condition, it remains a practical candidate for a budget restoration or utility build. Number 2. 1979 Toyota Pickup Truck, $3,900, Portland, Oregon. This 1979 Toyota Pickup is a well-preserved late 70s compact truck with just 72,000 miles. Equipped with a manual transmission and clean title, it remains in very good condition. Known for reliability and efficiency, it features a clean interior, new tires, and strong driving performance, making it suitable for daily use or collection. Number 3. 1989 Chevrolet 2500 Regular Cab, $4,000, Mountain Home, Idaho. This 1989 Chevrolet 2500 four-wheel drive truck is a capable, heavy-duty work vehicle. It features a rebuilt gasoline engine with 92,000 miles, a flatbed with fifth-wheel capability, upgraded exhaust, new tires, and snowplow preparation. Minor issues are noted, but included replacement parts add value. A solid late 80s square body with strong utility appeal. Number 4. 1973 Ford F-250 Long Bed, $3,600, San Diego, California. This 1973 Ford F-250 Long Bed is a complete classic pickup with a V8 engine, automatic transmission, and clean title. Although listed as non-operational, the engine runs, making it a viable restoration candidate. Ranger trim F-250 models are increasingly collectible for their durability and timeless styling. Number 5. 1952 Dodge M37 Military Truck, $4,000, Glendale, Arizona. This 1952 Dodge M37 is a rare military four-wheel drive truck converted to Chevrolet running gear with a 350 engine and automatic transmission. Family-owned for decades and stored for several years, it will require recommissioning. With a clean Arizona title and military heritage, it offers unique character and collector appeal. Number 6. 1973 Ford F250 Camper Special XLT, $1,000, Torrance, California. This 1973 Ford F250 Camper Special XLT is a low-cost project with strong mechanical potential. Powered by a rebuilt 390 V8 with performance upgrades, it runs well and has a solid transmission. The body is rough, the title is salvage, and the power steering leaks, but the price reflects these issues and leaves room for restoration or custom builds. Number 7. 1981 Ford F250 Custom Cab, $2,500, Bruceville, Texas. This 1981 Ford F250 Custom Cab is a straight, mostly rust-free truck with a clean title. It features a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission and turns over strongly. With a solid body and simple mechanical design, it is a strong candidate for restoration or traditional use. Number 8. 1982 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed, $4,500, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1982 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed is a rare factory diesel truck powered by a 6.2-liter engine with automatic transmission. It includes air conditioning, power windows, and the original build sheet. While showing surface rust and an unfinished restoration, the diesel configuration and factory options make it a desirable square body platform. Number 9. 1993 GMC Sierra 1500 4-wheel drive, $500, Westcliffe, Colorado. This 1993 GMC Sierra 1500 4-wheel drive pickup is priced low due to transmission issues, limited to first and second gear. The 5.7-liter engine runs, and the truck has a clean title and solid body. It is best suited for repair, parts use, or off-road utility. Number 10. 1951 Willys pickup truck, $28,000, Chino, California. This 1951 Willys pickup is a professionally restored and customized collector-grade truck. It features a Chevrolet 327 engine, 4-wheel drive, manual transmission, upgraded electrical system, custom interior, and detailed finishing throughout. With only 820 miles since restoration, it is a rare and high-quality example. Number 11. 1989 Chevrolet S10 Extra Cab, $4,500, Chandler, Arizona. This 1989 Chevrolet S10 Extra Cab is a well-sorted, compact classic truck with a rebuilt 4.3-liter V6 and automatic transmission. Extensive recent upgrades include tires, wheels, air conditioning, suspension, interior components, and fuel system work. It runs very well and stands out as a reliable and efficient classic daily driver.